In this video, we're going to talk about exponents, and in specifics, we're going to talk about the zero rule of exponents. The zero rule says that when you raise anything to the zero power, then the thing you raise to that power equals 1. That would be anything that's raised to the zero power. Okay, some examples of the zero rule are x to the 0, that equals 1. 7 to the 0 also equals 1. X to the 5th over x squared, parentheses, raised to the 0 power equals 1. And x times y times z, parentheses, 0 power, this equals 1. Let's do some practice problems. We've got a few practice problems here to do. As you think about these 5 problems that I've listed here for you, you can think about what the solution to these problems would be. The first one, negative 2 to the 0 power, that's going to be 1. Y to the 0 power also equals 1. Anything raised to the 0 equals 1. M cubed over n to the 4th, parentheses to the 0 power. That means everything in the parentheses is raised to the 0 power. This also equals 1. R times S times T, all inside parentheses, means this whole entire parentheses set is raised to the 0 power. This equals 1. Not really as a trick question, but something else for you to think about is we have x to the 0 power, y squared, and z to the 3rd power. So in this case, everything is not raised to the 0 power, only the x. So x to the 0 power is going to equal 1. Well, we got y squared and z cubed, so the answer to this would be y squared and z cubed. You could put the 1 out here if you want, not necessary and not required, but I want you to know that x to the 0 power equals the 1. In our next video, we will talk about the power rule, where you're raising the power of an exponent to another exponent, and we'll see you there. If this video has been helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when new videos are posted. Also, visit us at 8minutemath.com, where you can see our content and resources and courses, things that are available to you there. Lastly, follow us on Facebook at 8minutemathshelp.com. We look forward to seeing you there.